First, take a Snazaroo paint in pale blue and load it onto a face painting sponge. Apply this colour around the outside edges of the eyes in a C shape and also apply some to the middle of the forehead. Next, take a fuchsia pink colour and apply this directly over the top of the blue, but do be careful not to completely cover all of the colour underneath. Next, load up a small brush with white face paint and start to add in the details. Outline the outside edges of each eye with long teardrop shapes, making them smaller and smaller as you go. Place your brush back onto the tallest teardrop and create a small swirl, and then also add a star right in the centre of the forehead. Using a series of smaller and larger dots, connect the star up to the outside edges of your design. Paint in some more teardrop shapes on the lower edges of the mask, flicking upwards into the corner of the eye, and then fill in any large empty spaces you might have with lots of different sized dots. Load the same fuchsia pink colour as before onto a brush and outline the outside edges of the mask to give it a bit more definition. You can also use this colour to fill in any small spaces between your white dots. And then for that special final touch, be sure to finish with lots of sparkly glitter.